Understanding Enforced Silence, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, enforced silence. This phrase might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations or writing. Enforced silence is a phrase composed of two words, enforce and silence. Let's look at each word individually. Enforce typically means to compel observance of or obedience to a law, rule, or obligation. It implies the use of authority or power to ensure compliance. Silence, on the other hand, refers to the complete absence of sound or the act of making someone quiet or stopping noise. When combined, enforced silence means to make people be quiet or to stop noise, usually by using authority or power. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone in authority, like a teacher in a classroom, needs to ensure that there is no talking or noise. To better understand how to use enforced silence, let's look at some examples. 1. In the library. The librarian had to enforce silence so that everyone could concentrate on their work. 2. During the important meeting, the chairperson had to enforce silence among the attendees to maintain order. 3. The new law was designed to enforce silence in sensitive areas like hospitals and courts. In these examples, enforced silence is used in different contexts, but the underlying meaning remains the same. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use enforced silence. This phrase is best used in formal or semi-formal contexts, especially when discussing situations involving rules, regulations, or authority. It's less common in casual conversations. Here are some tips. Use it when referring to situations where quietness is necessary and enforced by someone in authority. Avoid using it in casual settings where the phrase might sound too formal or harsh. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, enforced silence, better. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases and how they're used in different contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English phrases like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.